Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings, go to Payments, and enable QuickBooks Payments with a two-step verification sign-in when prompted. This turns on the merchant features for automatic invoicing. Next, connect your checking account or business credit card by entering routing and account numbers or card details and agree to the terms. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the bank connection using 2 small micro-deposits or an instant card authorization. Complete that confirmation step so QuickBooks can securely charge customer cards or pull ACH from your account. Create an invoice for the customer and select Make Recurring. Choose a schedule, daily, weekly, monthly, or custom such as every 30 days to match your billing cycle. In the recurring template, enable the box for automatically charge saved payment methods and choose the payment term you use, for example net 30 or net 15. If you will charge a card on file, save the customer payment method under their profile and record explicit customer authorization, so you comply with card on file rules and reduce disputes. Monitor automatic payments in the Sales or Payments dashboard and check for successful transactions or failures. QuickBooks will show payment status and deposit dates. If a charge fails, open the invoice or customer profile to retry, pause future charges, issue a refund, or reschedule billing. Always add a memo to document the customer communication. Finally, reconcile deposited payments against your bank deposits on the banking page, and use the sales and transaction reports to verify received amounts and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.